Hey friends, welcome back to the Cook's Cottage. As you can see, I still have a whole lot of Christmas decor to put up. So today we're going to be focusing on the kitchen and my bedroom. Let's go ahead and get to it. I am looking for some kind of greenery, maybe cranberries or twigs, something to go inside of these vases. So for now, I'm just going to leave it simple. It was a pretty gloomy day with lots of overcast, so I do want to apologize. Looking back now, editing this, I'm realizing just how dark some of these shots are, so I do apologize for the lighting. I have been cooking my way through the Magnolia cookbooks like I'm Julia Childs over on my Instagram. If you guys are interested in following along, feel free to follow me over there at Bethelini. For some reason, the command hook was just not working for the wreath. I think it was the angle. So I ended up taking a balloon animal style balloon. I call them Z balloons. And I put it around the entirety of the door, and it actually worked out perfectly. Now that the kitchen is looking extra cute and festive, let's go ahead and get into the bedroom.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day.
have been here for a while, you already know my daughter absolutely loves the camera.
Merry Christmas Day. Dancing around the
Some of these clips that you guys are seeing are actually from part 1 of my Christmas Decorate With Me, where I decorate the living room, the breakfast nook, as well as the entryway. So if you haven't already, be sure to go and check it out.
dancing around the Christmas tree.
All the links for most of the stuff that you guys see in the video will be in the description box below. As always, I want to sincerely thank you guys for watching today's video. I have so much Christmas content coming out, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one.